Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see yesterday, for the first time in a long time, they were able to build a higher low on the daily chart. They were able to hold the yellow line here, which is your 100-day exponential moving average. And what you're seeing this morning is they're doing a little bit of a multi-day green, going to try to take it higher. So if there was a day that you could see some piling into the long side to make a move up towards the weekly pivot, here at 28.83, we talked about that earlier in the week. You have the 99.75, you got a higher low here that got rejected to the upside. You got a higher high here relative to that. 74 is a big area of resistance. If you get over 74, it opens up 83. And you know, it also goes ahead and fills this gap from Sunday night. Right now, you've got the hourly midband coming in at 52.75. Volume weighted average price basically 54.5. Our proprietary moving average is right at 63. We've been churning between 62 and 68 since call it 6 o'clock this morning. They took it down last night. They had a couple looks at 40 to 42, which held nicely. That's the area of the daily pivot. They were able to climb up on the hourly midband, and they're trying to go ahead and extend to the upside. They got a little, you know, it's all in the eye of the beholder. Either, you know, well, we're making lower highs. If you're a bull, then it's a flag. It's, you know, we'll see what it is off the open. So we got another half an hour before we open. The ideal bull case would be to stay above 62, break through 70, go to 74, and go from there. If the bears go ahead and are able to fade it back off the open, then what you really got to see, the huge area this morning, is 52 to 54. You've got hourly midband, volume weighted average price in there. That area has got to hold. And, you know, what I've got to figure out for the room is, are we going to get short in anticipation of that, of a move down, or are we going to, you know, stay long, basically? And our proprietary moving average and the 5-minute midband at 63.64 are going to help me make that decision. So yesterday was another really nice day, 29 handles. It's been a big week. We were long 32 the majority of the day, which was nice, and that was after being short 45 overnight. So not a ton of trades yesterday, but the ones that we took were really good. Everybody have a fantastic day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Go check that out. Come check us out. We'd love to meet you. Come take a trial. Great place to trade, great group of people, and a great place to really learn how to do this stuff, if I don't say so myself. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.